Really good job. Your floors look very nice.
It functions so easily. I was really concerned that it was going to be very technical and that I was going to be sort of over my head how to use it, or that it was going to be a very long assembly process and then be overly complicated to run it. But this is almost easier than running the microwave, and it's almost easier than learning how to assemble and use that old vacuum. And now that we've used it, I'm sort of viewing it as essential.
Okay, I'll admit it. I was wrong. I used to think all robotic mops and vacuums were just luxury gadgets. I hated vacuuming and mopping, but I figured I could do it myself. But after I was sent this YEEDI M12 Max Plus to test out, and using this for a few weeks, I viewed this the same way I do my dishwasher and my washing machine and dryer. I mean, I could hang up my wet clothes on a clothesline. I could wash dishes by hand, but do I really need to? Do I want to? No. And I don't have to anymore. I mean, using this robotic cleaner is just so convenient. It cleans its own mop heads and it empties its own dustbin.
Auto empty. You may hear some airflow noise from the strong suction power, but don't worry. Robot is about to start washing the mop with hot water. You may hear some noise during the process, but there's nothing to worry about.
This device is amazing. I mean, my 84-year-old mom can use it because the only thing you really need to do is to put clean water into the clean tank and then empty the dirty water from the dirty tank. I could go back to the old way, but am I? No, because my time is worth more than that.